we turn our attention to the AWS pricing model. AWS makes cloud computing cost-effective and adaptable by offering a pay-as-you-go strategy. This means you only pay for the resources and services you actually use for the time you use them without the burden of long-term contracts, complicated licensing, or upfront payment. It is similar to how utilities like electricity or water are billed, based entirely on usage. Once you stop using a service, billing stops too. This structure empowers users with complete control over their expenses, enabling scalable solutions that align with evolving business needs. While pay-as-you-go is ideal for unpredictable or fluctuating workloads, AWS also offers significant savings when you commit to consistent usage. This is made possible through savings plans, a pricing model that offers reduced rates on services like AWS Compute and Machine Learning in exchange for a commitment to use a specified amount of resources measured in dollars per hour over a 1 or 3-year term. You can choose to pay all upfront for the maximum discount, partially upfront for balanced flexibility, or nothing upfront and still benefit from lower rates. If your workloads are steady or long-running, this model can yield substantial cost savings and is easily managed using tools like AWS Cost Explorer, which provides recommendations, performance tracking, and budget alert. As your cloud usage grows, AWS rewards you with volume-based discounts. For instance, services like Amazon S3 and outbound data transfers from EC2 offer tiered pricing. The more you use, the lower the cost per gigabyte. Moreover, data transfer into AWS is always free. This pricing structure enables you to take advantage of economies of scale, helping you to manage costs effectively even as adoption expands.